What's going on, guys? Wait, what? We're out here working on Matt's car today. What are you doing to it?
Changing the speakers.
Which ones? Obviously the door speakers.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we have to take off the door panels on each side. And I already got a little bit further than him.
Oh, dude, these are color coded. Sick. Red is right.
Blue.
Is left. See, there's blue and left.
See, this one was blue too.
Start.
That's fucking fantastic. Alright. So once you take those off, you're priming with a screwdriver, you know what I'm saying? On an EP3 Civic, you guys ever want to take this off, you know what I'm saying? You take those off, you know. Alright, I'm being it. Okay, so anyway, you take off those two things, and then you're gonna have 5 big screws and 3 small ones. And I already took one out.
Well, this one's red too.
Yeah, man. Did you break any clips? No?
No, I didn't break it.
But I'm gonna take those off, and then we'll get back to you.
It's stuck to you.
You got it, man. All right.
It's
So I got all the 5 screws off. There's a couple hiding from you. There's one in there, one back there. Yeah, but I got those. Oh, that one. Sorry. I got those off. This thing comes free. You want to take off this little harness for it, and then hold on. All right, so we're putting this one back on.
One's coming off.
That one's coming off, that's the side that needs fixed, you know.
Yeah.
Matt was going under the door panel and prying it off from under. Like, I'll show you. Right there. I think that's like where it is. But he got that side good. You're supposed to just pry it with a screwdriver. As you can see, this one's broken because, you know, the other one's like very, very sturdy, I guess. So yeah, we're just gonna put that side back on, and we're gonna continue on this side.
Mess with this side.
What's up, y'alls? This door panel, well, we got it off and got the subs out. Well, not the sub, I'm fucking stupid. The speaker out, it's right there. It was an aftermarket one, but it wasn't plugged in on one side, so that's why it wasn't working. We probably actually could have made it work without the speaker, like a new one, but we just replaced it anyway. But yeah, he's.
The big one?
Huh? No.
No?
Big one goes in the thingy. Right here.
Shine the flash.
The flash.
So I can see where she's going.
So y'all, we're back. Door panel's back on all together. Matt's just about to test it out here. He's adjusting his settings back to like even. Alright, we back. And it's definitely working. Yeah, you can. Fuck.
It's the radio.
Why?
Because the fucking battery.
Fucking Honda's
Dude,
being
just
a
sit in
piece
the
of
car.
shit. Huh?
Sit in the car so I could shut it.
No, because I have to put the... Alright. Play it!
Dude.
In the arms of the angel, fly away.
Are you sure? Let me put my phone. I have my phone in my hand. Can't do that.
We got the door panel on. This is day 2.
This is day 2 of this
Completely
because...
different day.
We'll tell you what happened. We set up the speaker and there was too much power going to the radio deck, and the Pioneer amp has a thing where it just shuts off whenever it has too much power.
Yeah, no, it's not that there was too
Or
much
power?
power. It's that there was a bad connection between all the speakers.
Oh, yeah. And for some reason, the dude before him extended those green ones with these shitty ass ones.
And these were connecting very poorly. The negatives and positives were touching, which when you hook up another speaker to this, it basically throws this in protect mode and shuts off the amp so that none of the speakers work.
So that's what
So
happened.
for the past couple of days I've been driving around with no speakers. I had no idea
driving in
what was
silence.
going on, and then I read
But yeah,
the forum.
we saw it on the forum. Thank God it saved us, really. We would not have figured that out. We didn't know pioneers are that cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're waiting for Nick right now because he's gonna do the wires better than we would. So
Is here to save the day with wiring. Tell us what you're gonna do, Nick.
Where's the? I gotta take these clips. Go to the speaker right here. See these? See these? You wouldn't think they'd be that important, but they fucking are. Come in here like this. Sit the fuck down. I think everybody should know what that is.
All right. I'm gonna lift the door panel, and then once we get the speaker kind of hooked up, these wires hooked up, we'll get back.
But since we're, White Town Gearheads, we didn't do that.
yeah, don't be complaining about our wiring job.
The speaker's passenger seat.
We're just making do with what we got. We got no solder.
Got some shoddy ass wiremen. Did it before me. Guarantee you this motherfucker will never do that again.
Give it a try.
All right.
Is it working? They're all working?
Oh yeah.
Tea party, my bitch like Bagari. I walk in the spot, all the bitches.
Oh yeah.
Spend 30 racks, I'ma make it back tomorrow.
Shouts out to old ass tires.
Good shit, dude. What's up, y'all? We're back. The Civic is all good now. Door panel's on. Speaker.
Brand new.
Speaker's working.
I like it. Sounds a lot nicer.
What song's this, dude?
Outlet by Designer.
But yeah, guys. If you enjoyed this video of this fix and stupid shit that just happened, leave a like.
Subscribe.
And if you learned something from the whole radio deck thing, let us know in the comments. Alright? But we'll see you guys later.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more stuff. HJ's coming up. We're just prepping for it. More to come. Right, Matt?
Hell yeah.